Ons gaan nou opstyg hierso van George af. Jy kan sien daar tot die springbokkie maak gereed vir die Argentyne. Tel ons nou lekker spoed op. Ek sit hier op die vlerk, baie nice is. Ja, gaan ons nou 300 km/h. Oh, is die lughawe. Uit in die Koeberge. Kyk, dit is maalgate daai. So ek sit nou aan die binnelandse kant.
Thank you for your attention during the preparation for our takeoff. Now that we are safely on our way, we invite you
to
sit back, relax, and enjoy this flight with us. Once the captain has turned off the seatbelt signs, laptops and notebooks equipped with flight mode may be used. Our team will also begin preparations for our onboard catering service. Our in-flight delight menu is available in the seat pocket in front of you. We'll be offering you a range of delicious snacks and refreshing beverages. Please have your order ready for us when we reach you. Gladly accept Flysaver snack vouchers, credit and debit cards, and contactless tap-to-pay payments. Unfortunately, we do not accept any cash. Customers using snack vouchers are kindly requested to have their boarding passes ready when we reach you.
Hoor baie naby aan dit te wees as ons nou hier oor gaan.
Alcoholic beverages is strictly prohibited. Kindly take note that
Okay,
all
daar's hy, ja.
are subject to availability.
Daai moet Mosselbaai wees waar raak uitkom. Dis behoort seker Mosselbaai te wees, neem ek aan. Ek kan seker Haraldsbaai ook wees. Nee, nie Haraldsbaai. Ja, nee, dit is Mosselbaai gewees. Ok, ja, gaan ons nou. Dis maar net so vir die interessantheid. Dit is aan die wolkies.